How to cancel an Expedia hotel reservation. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can cancel your hotel reservation on Expedia. Now it's quite simple. All you have to do is, if you're on the app, you want to open up your app, and on the home page you want to tap on the trips option, and then you want to head into the trips option. If you are on browser, if you want to do it on browser, you can head into your device browser and they're searching for expedia.com. You can see you'll be headed into official Expedia web page there, and once there you'll get an interface like this if you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the little bag icon, the suitcase icon that you can see at the top right beside the profile icon. If you are on app, all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the trips option. Now trips option is this icon in the browser, and once you do so, if you scroll down below, you'll get an interface like this. Now here you'll be able to see your booking. If you don't find your booking, in any case, what you can do is you want to tap on the option find your booking. Now the process is similar on the app itself as well. Tap on the find your booking option, and there it'll ask you to enter your itinerary number, and once you enter your itinerary number, you'll be able to look for your booking details, and once you do so, you'll need to navigate to the cancellation options and looking for the manage booking or cancel booking button, which will be located near the top of the page. So this way you can cancel your reservation in Expedia. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.